Okay, hello.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, friends.
Good
Hello.
evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good evening.
I am Ram Kumar from Coimbatore.
Okay.
I am a hedging
Shripath
consultant.
from Pune. I'm Shripath from Pune.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, my 1 minute, just people are joining. I am
Sure.
into trading for the past 17 years. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
I am into trading for the past 17, 18 years. I do a lot of research in this. Okay. It is not simply looking at the chart and the levels, what are the levels, maybe resistance or support. I don't believe in that. I believe in volume theory, actually. Okay. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. I think.
I believe in volume theory. Every day, the volume or trading quantity will give a clear direction for that particular script or indices. Okay. For example, today I want to give a small detail about Bank Nifty's and Nifty's move. Almost we had a correction of 700 points in Bank Nifty and more than 180 points in Nifty.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
So actually everyone are sitting in front of the screen from the morning from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay. But we don't know when to enter, how to enter.
That is correct.
Yeah, most of them depend upon the charts. Okay. Charts will give only the rates after the move is over. Any buy indication, it all gives after the rate has went up by 1% or 2% like that. Okay. So my view is we should use the volume as a main indicator and play the game according to that. It gives lot of. Hello. Hello. Everyone switch off your mute your audio. Hello.
ఆవులు గేదెలు ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ ఓపెన్ ప్లేస్ రైట్ సైడ్ మొత్తం ఓపెన్ ప్లేసే కదా
Hello.
అయితే అక్కడ రెడీగా ఉంది దాని ఆపోజిట్ లోనే మట్టి కూడా ఉందండి
Hello.
సిమెంట్ సార్ చూడండి
Audio mute చేయండి. Hello. Audio mute చేయండి. Sir, okay.
మాట్లాడుకొని చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది సతీష్ ఎవరినో మాట్లాడేస్తే
Hello.
Can everybody mute, please?
Yeah. So I request everyone to mute the audio so that it will be very simple and easy. Okay. Hello, Ashwin. I think it's not in mute. Audio is not in mute. Okay, sir. Today, Bank Nifty and Nifty. We want to see how it has reacted. Actually, whenever Bank Nifty moves upside, Nifty will go up. Bank Nifty down, Nifty will come down. So, but the difference what we want to know is Bank Nifty is comprised of only limited number of stocks. For example, 8 to 10 stocks, and only 4 banks have the heavy weightage. Whereas Nifty is having 50 companies in the indices. So today from the morning, how these two reacted in the market, that we want to see. For example, in the morning, it was in a neutral stage. Market started slowly with a lackluster trading for the first half an hour, 1 hour like that. Then gradually it picked up in the downwards momentum. Okay. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah. So now what we want to do is, we don't know whether today bank will perform or Nifty is going to perform. So now everyone are looking at the charts and everything. Now in my view, I will give some clarification how to watch which is very active.
Asim yarim jetan phone.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Others can, others mute.
Yeah.
It's getting disturbance.
Yeah. Everyone. I request everyone to mute. Okay. Welcome, Nitin, Shyam. Friends. Okay, now I will give some details. Morning to 11 o'clock, the market was little bit. Okay. Now, after that, some momentum, some selling pressure came into the market. Sanjay Singh, mute your phone, please. I would like to give you a small details how that happened and what we should watch. Today morning, up to 11 o'clock, the range was very narrow. Okay, morning, just 1 minute, please. Yeah. So morning, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the details I had given here is 1 minute. Now the details what I had given is morning 9:20 time frame. Nifty volume was 4,19,000 in F&O. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Same time, Bank Nifty volume was 3,54,000. That means 84% of the Nifty's volume here I had given. So that means today Bank Nifty and Nifty have a same move almost as per 9:20 time frame. Then after some time,
Okay.
Nifty volume went up to 5 lakhs, whereas Bank Nifty at 3.8. Here the ratio had become 78.45. Here itself some indication is that Nifty is going to trade wildly for today at least, and it will outperform Bank Nifty. Okay, I am giving the close rates also, and around the 9:23 the ratio is 75, and around 10 o'clock it is like that. Again it was in a range between 84 like that. Then after 10:45 Nifty volume was 33 lakhs, whereas Bank Nifty volume was 24 lakhs. That time the percentage was 73.87. And you see here, and this is the place it gave more confirmation. Nifty 38 lakhs roughly, here it is 26 lakhs only. So that means lot of trade is taking part in Nifty. So Nifty scripts are coming down. Now in spite of going and buying a put option in Bank Nifty, we might enter Nifty. So this is the indication what we want to identify, where we'll get more momentum and where we'll get more benefit. And this clearly gives around 10:57, Nifty is going to perform. So the moment the rates are also coming down slowly. So that means with a very huge volume, Nifty is down. So we can expect a big correction in Nifty than in Bank Nifty. So today, those who have taken a position in Bank Nifty, in spite of Bank Nifty, if they might have entered a put in Nifty, they might have made more money. And the rate after 12:56, it is around 60% only. Bank Nifty trading was very dull, whereas Nifty traded very high volume with heavy volume. So that means all Nifty scripts, where those who have more weightage in the Nifty is coming down. So Bank Nifty scripts are oscillating and it is consolidating. So Bank Nifty volume was very less. So this type of indications will give us more clarity when we should enter Nifty or Bank Nifty. It's also both are in indices. Okay. Now we want to know what are the scripts are having more weightage in Nifty and what are the scripts having more weightage in Bank Nifty. By the time 2 o'clock, most of the Bank Nifty scripts saw some bottom and it came up. It bounced back. Most of the bank Nifty skips bounced back, whereas Nifty didn't come up. So it came to a low of 11,670 or something, then went up by 40 points. Whereas Bank Nifty from the low, it bounced back more than 200 points. So this is the way we want to watch everything, how to enter the market and which will give more benefit. So my view is we should see the Nifty Bank Nifty ratio, volume ratio, and go according to that. So every day morning up to 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock, you should see which is performing well. So if you feel Nifty is good, you can enter Nifty. If you feel Bank Nifty is good, either upside or downside, you keep on monitoring the time, closing rate, volume for both the thing. See the volume ratio, how the ratios are going up and down. So in this way, you will get some clarification. So it will give more profit also in a very short time frame. See, from 11 o'clock to 12:55, almost to 45 lakhs Nifty volume had happened. So rates came down. So from there again, it came down by another 60-70 points. So this is the way we have to see how things are going to happen. But whereas in Bank Nifty, it is not the move. So we want to calculate our entries, Bank Nifty and Nifty together, and we want to see which will give more benefit. So most of them, those who went sell in Bank Nifty, bounce back was very high, whereas in Nifty it was not to that extent. So in my view, every day volume is very important. You have to compare all these things, and whenever things are happening, if Nifty is going to outperform Bank Nifty, you can enter Nifty. So Bank Nifty is going to outperform Nifty, you can enter Nifty. So you have to enter the strike rate, whichever strike rate we would like to follow, and take a put or call according to that. So my view is everyone should have an alert on this type of calculations. I think most of them don't give more importance to the volume. They just see that market is moving up, it reached the first resistance, second resistance, support, everything. I do agree with it all happens. This will give very clear and confident move. So my view is every day you need to do this small homework. Whenever you see a big percentage change in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, you have to take questions according to that. We'll get the benefits in a very short time.
So you're not audible.
Okay.
So you're not audible.
So you're not now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, you just said that we have to do an homework. After that, I didn't.
Every day, at least every half an hour, you take the Nifty close rate and volume. Same way, Bank Nifty close rate and volume. See which are performed well, either upside or downside with volume, and the ratio also changes. So this will give some clue for you. It's not you can't do it in a day or two. You have to practice it for a week or 2 days. Then only you will get some confidence. Okay. And this type of entries will give 30 to 50 points in Nifty or 100 to 150 points in Bank Nifty in 15 to 20 minutes time. So our entry and exit will be very fast, and it will be very useful also. So my just for awareness only I am giving it. So I have many theories, and this is one theory. I am from Coimbatore. I give do analysis along with the rate fluctuations. My theory is wedge theory. V for velocity, E for elasticity, and G for gravity. Whenever the market moves in a way, you have to consolidate. So how much elasticity, how much it can move, and how much it can cool down. This type of calculation only I am doing it, and the success rate is very high. And those who want to trade in put or call out of the money, far out of the money, they should know whether today Nifty will fall by 150 points or 200 points, or it will go by 100 or 200 points. Bank Nifty correction of 200 points upside. Only then they have to go and take the out of the money call or put, so that they can make 2x, 3x or 5x also. So expiry day, these type of readings, you have to note it. You will get more and more. And at least you have to practice it for a week or 10 days. then you okay. So this is my so mostly I'm trying to do one more get together. I mean a Zoom call on Saturday, elaborately for the whole week, how it happened, how Nifty has went up, how Bank Nifty came down, all those things. In this, anybody have any doubt like that?
Yes, I had a question
Yeah,
on the index. Yeah. So yesterday we saw a major breakout in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. The main reason for that was the Kotak Mahindra Bank. In
okay.
spite of global sentiments, yesterday were on negative side. Then why the indices were shooting up? And the same scenario was forwarded today as well.
That is what I'm
Many of the
for your information. Yesterday, activity Nifty, Bank Nifty shoot up only because of Kotak Mahindra Bank. It went up around 11%. Okay.
correct.
Other banks are not that much cooperated. Okay. But still, Kotak Mahindra Bank was very violent, and today it pulled down around 3% like that. Okay. And artificially, the volume was very low yesterday. Not people are not many people are taking question yesterday as per yesterday. That is why we saw a correction. So every day Nifty and Bank Nifty volume we want to watch at either it had went up with a decent volume or not. So most of them see the rate. I saw Nifty closing for 200 points upside, Bank Nifty 800 points. Whether 800 points move is having a close relationship with the volume. Suppose Nifty want to move 200 points, the total volume must be more than 1.5 crore. Now today Nifty volume is 1.5 crore. Okay. And Bank Nifty volume is 76 lakhs. So whenever there is a move, the volume should be also there. Most of them we forget, and mostly yesterday Bank Nifty volume was very low. That's why it corrected today. Okay. And tomorrow, in my view, expiry day, I expect 24,500 call will give a better profit, I think so. As such, today's calculations, any dip tomorrow, any negative, I mean, Bank Nifty, any downside, you can try to enter 24,500 call option, maybe around 8 rupees, 10 rupees after 130. And make a point, don't trade call or put on expiry date before 130. Enter after 150 so that you will get a very good decent returns. In my view, most of them are having a lot of technical tools with you and everything. But after 130, if you see the market where it will end, whether it will go further high or not, according to that you can plan and do. Okay. Any other doubts, sir?
Can you conduct a session for teaching your strategy in Bank Nifty and Nifty? As I'm a new trader.
Yes, sure. That I will plan in Saturdays like that. Okay. Now today, just I want to see, give a small awareness, and this homework everyone try to do. Please don't ignore volume. Yesterday, Kotak Bank was 4 times or 5 times of the average volume it trades. So that's why it went up. Today it is down with a low volume. So definitely tomorrow it will break yesterday's high, Kotak Bank. Whether it yeah.
So, sir, as we know that tomorrow is the day when Reliance results are going to get out. So, will it cause an movement in the Nifty as Reliance is a giant in Nifty?
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. Reliance actually from 2,380 some all-time high, it corrected more than 18%. In my view, tomorrow at any point of time around 1,970.
So you're not audible. So you're not audible.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. No, there is a disturbance from behind.
So tomorrow, my view is any dip is
Second wave అంటే మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి వస్తుంది.
no, that's around 11 o'clock or 10:30. If you see the volumes in Reliance and Nifty or anything, you will get a picture. Now we don't want to assume anything. And in the morning after 10:30, you will get some clarification whether Reliance is moving up with volume or not. In my view, for the past 10 days. Hello. For the past 10 days, Reliance is coming down with a very slow volume. Okay. Hello. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I try to arrange one more meeting on Saturday. It's just an intro and awareness. My contact number is 98942
98
942 20026.
20026.
Yeah, I'm from Coimbatore. So I give more importance for the volume. And it will give a lot of meaning for our trading, entries, everything. So everyone try to give some importance for volume. Okay. So anybody else? Any question? Venkat Maka? Sir?
Sir,
Hello sir, how are you? బాగున్నారా?
good sir, fine. Yeah, fine అండి.
ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ ఒక అవేర్నెస్ కోసం ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. సో ఐ థాట్ సమ్ పీపుల్ మస్ట్ బి నాట్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూమ్ quantity. So I want to give some information according to that. You have
ఎక్సలెంట్ ఇనిషియేషన్ అండి.
any doubt on that? Any doubt?
నేను లేట్ కి జాయిన్ అయ్యాను సార్. యాక్చువల్ గా నాది ఏదో ఫోన్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి జాయిన్ కాలేకపోయాను. ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. సో ఐ మిస్డ్ స్టార్ట్.
No problem. Saturday mostly నేను చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. Okay. ఇది వీలైన update in YouTube also, so that you can see. It's a small information, not much difference, but volume వచ్చి every half an hour you note it, sir, for Nifty and Bank.
Okay.
And you know the price rate, closing price of that half an hour and volume. After half an hour, closing price and volume. You see if the volume is going up, this is up, go further right. You will find some difference in that. So every 15 minutes or half an hour, you try to do that. And my YouTube channel is Hedgemark. Hello. My YouTube channel is HEDGEMARG, Marg. So I'll send the.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
If possible, please share the link in the group, sir.
Yeah, I'll share the link also. I'll share the link. So I'll try to give one more awareness with some of the details. For example, Kotak Bank or Reliance or anything on Saturday like that. Let it take. We have to discuss for at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Then only we'll get some clear picture. Okay. So we'll make it on Saturday. Okay, I thought Nifty and Bank Nifty move. Everyone knows because we have been watching the day. No, that's why immediately I want to talk to them. Talk according to how it's going to act. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, done, sir. Yeah.
Venkat garu.
Yeah, done, sir. Sure అండి. సాటర్డే తప్పకుండా నేను అటెండ్ అవుతాను.
ఓకే, చూస్తాను సార్. ఏదో ఒకటి టైం అది చూసి దాన్ని టెక్నిక్ చేస్తాను అయితే. How was today's presentation, sir? Everyone, any feedback? I mean, is it useful?
Yes, sir. It was a good learning for us. Let's hope that we get more learning and less disturbance.
Today I'll give some more details. Slowly we can try to develop this type of volume also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is volume we need to expect from NSE side, sir?
No, NSE side is there, no? F&O volumes is there, no? In NSE India is there, money control is there. Or if you have a trading terminal also, there also you can see the volume, traded volume, how many lots, how many transfer, what is the total traded volume in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you play according to that, we'll get more clarification, and really I'm telling you, it will give a best thrill in trading. And you can, in certain time frame, you can analyze the move. In 10 minutes, it will go 20 points Nifty. In half an hour, it will go 80 points. Like that also you can analyze. So once you watch all this dance of volume and price, you can easily do wonders. This is my observation. No need of going for chart and using any indicators. No need of resistance, no support, nothing. You can just let it see the volume. But thing is, you have to note every 10 to 15 minutes what is the closing price, what is the volume at particular that time. So whether the volume is increasing, price is going up. It's just like open interest. Open interest will don't give any targets, but this will give targets also. Open interest will give the trend. Here, if you watch the traded quantity along with the price, you will get the targets also. So try to practice it. It is not we can't do it in a day or two. You have to do it for a month or. Okay. So Saturday I try to give some more information. and try to do some homework. At least tomorrow expiry day, no? So you try to note the volumes every 20 minutes, closing rate of Bank Nifty and volume. Continuously you keep on doing it. Whenever the volume is surging, if Bank Nifty is going up, we can expect another 50, 80 points or 100 points upside. If it is down, means it will come down. So try to do that type of entries. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.